Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best comfortable bidet toilet seats that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BioBidet Ultimate BB600 toilet seat, smartly engineered to bring you top-notch luxury. The BioBidet Ultimate BB600 is a full-features toilet set that brings you everything you need. Offering you with rear and front water cleansing as well as an antibacterial material, this seat offers you with ultimate convenience. The unit also boasts of a massage function plus a clean function that offers optimal comfort even if you are a beginner. It also comes with an adjustable pressure and temperature setting plus gentle aerated stream to ensure the best-in-class performance. As this is not enough, this unit comes with a versatile remote control that allows for hands-free customization. Plus there is also adjustable temperature settings from soft to hot to allow you to control the temperature depending on the needs. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Geneva Day Seat with self-cleaning nozzles. The Geneva Day Seat is one of the few models that combine easy installation, comfort, hygiene, and convenience. This unit comes with an easy-to-use and environmentally friendly design that any homeowners will appreciate. It comes with amazing features that boost the user experience. These include things such as warm air dryer, posterior wash, oscillating wash, feminine wash, hygienic filter as well as an adjustable water pressure. While there are many models on the market, this is one of the best models that combine a multifunction control panel and stylish design. It comes with an innovative remote that enables you to use the nozzle that extended from under the seat, bringing a refreshing ambient and cleansing that eliminates the need for toilet cleaning. The unit also comes with a contoured seat that brings you maximum comfort. At number 3, we have the SmartBidet SB1000 bidet for elongated toilets. For most of use, our washrooms are haven, especially after a long day at work. This is the best place where we can have our own self-time after juggling with hectic work schedules and family. For this reason, making it special is paramount. With the SmartBidet SB1000, you don't need to remodel your bathroom. By simply installing a seat, you will convert your old bathroom into a little heaven where you can unwind. Boasting of innovative features, this unit brings you all the comfort you need. It comes with a heated seat, so you don't have to worry about beating the cold even in the coldest months. Also, instead of using ineffective tissue paper, you will also enjoy the warm cleaning jets that are not only efficient but also easy to use. Additionally, this unit comes with a remote control that lets you customize the setting plus a sleek look that revamps the look of your old bathroom. At number 2, we have the BioBidet Bliss BB1000 toilet seat. Beauty, ingenuity, and convenience. Get all these attributes from the BioBidet Bliss BB1000 bidet toilet seat. With this seat, you will experience the distinction between the past limitations and technological freedom of a top-in-class bidet toilet seat that bring you unprecedented cleanliness. Boasting of the exclusive nozzle cleansing technology coupled with the brilliant water heating technology, this unit proves to be effective to cater for your needs. More to this unit comes with new excellent upgrades such as motorized nozzle cleaning, hydro flush technology, and wider angled sprays aimed at improving the user experience. Plus, you will get to enjoy the exclusive Clean Surge Rapid Self-Cleansing feature that is only found in the Bliss series. Finally, at number 1, we have the TOTO SW2034 number 01C100 toilet seat. Unlike the traditional tissues paper that is ineffective and rough, the TOTO SW2034 number 01 bidet toilet comes with a washlet that offers comfortable warm water by simply pressing a button. This unit offers you with a pre-mist feature that offers an ecology-minded luxury plus a luxury, streamlined design. Owing to its ingenious design, your once mundane drip bathroom will become a spa-like experience. In addition, this is a full automatic bidet toilet that comes with a rear cleanse, soft rear spray as well as a front cleanse. The controls are conveniently placed at the arm controls, making it effortless to use. More to this, you will enjoy using the advanced features including a self-cleaning wand, soft close seat with 3 temperature settings as well as an air deodorizer that keeps your bathroom smelling great. Thanks you for watching guys. I liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.